Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Every now and again, we will deal with matters pertaining to possible extradition to the United States, criminal warrants, things like that. It's not been overly common, especially here recently, but in the past, we saw this a lot more often. And people ask me about extradition to and from Thailand, and we mostly see extradition cases involving foreigners who are being pulled back into another jurisdiction, usually their home jurisdiction, if you will, their jurisdiction of their nationality. But a recent article from the Thai Examiner, that's thaiexaminer.com, article is titled, German Drug Cartel Chiefs Arrested in Raids. Quoting directly, Immigration Bureau teams arrested 2 German drug cartel leaders on Tuesday on Phuket and Koh Phangan. The pair led an organization that produced and distributed a range of psychoactive drug cocktails across Europe from Germany, leading to several deaths. They were lying low in Thailand for years. Quoting further, 2 Germans who once led a large drug cartel operating across Europe from Germany were taken down by Immigration Bureau officers on Tuesday. Immigration Bureau, interesting. Let me get to that in a minute. And arrested on foot of an extradition request from German authorities, resulting in arrest warrants issued by the criminal court in April. The Immigration Bureau is reporting the arrest on Tuesday of 2 German nationals wanted on an extradition request from the Federal Republic of Germany for their roles in organizing a European-wide drug production and distribution syndicate. A lot more information in there, but the reason I brought up Immigration Bureau is it's not just standard Thai police that often get involved in extradition matters. In fact, as a practical matter, I kind of think of it as a crib notes or a sort of a shorthand version of extradition where you see immigration get involved, where basically a foreign government says, hey, we have reason to believe this person's in your country. If they are, we've got this outstanding warrant. And oftentimes immigration will just say, well, we're just going to rescind their status, citing national security grounds usually under the Immigration Act, and just deport them back to the country, usually of their nationality, if that country is the one that's seeking them. To use the precise term, that may not necessarily be extradition per se. They may just deport the person or persons. In this situation, it looks like, in fact, this was extradition request, did go through the courts. Arrest warrants were issued by the criminal courts. So this is kind of the more longhand version of it, if you will. The shorthand version is, and I have seen this before, where basically you either see somebody who they don't get their immigration status extended, or they see it revoked and they're deported, oftentimes back to their home country.